Hi guys! Today I'll show you how to make egg rolls, restaurant style, easily at home. I have a few green cabbages growing in my garden and I thought this would be the perfect recipe to use them. Heat up a pan and add a little oil. Add ground meat. You can use pork or chicken. I'm using pork since that's what's generally used in my local Chinese restaurants. Break up the meat. Add finely chopped garlic and ginger. Salt and ground white pepper. Use black pepper if you don't have white. Mix and cook until golden brown. Keep breaking up the meat and stirring in between. To a bowl, add finely grated cabbage, carrots, and chopped scallions. Add the cooked meat. Make sure to drain the meat of excess oil. To flavor the filling, soy sauce and sesame oil. Mix well and taste it. I'm adding a little more white pepper. You can add more soy sauce if you need to. Let the filling cool. Heat up oil in a pan to fry the egg rolls. If you have a deep fryer, this is the perfect time to pull it out. I'm using these store-bought egg roll wraps. Place one in front of you in a diamond shape. Add the cooled filling to the bottom 1/3. Bring the point up over the filling and roll once. Fold both sides over. Put egg wash on the top corner and roll into a tight packet. Push the filling away from the edges, closer to the middle so it doesn't fall out. Keep rolling all of the egg rolls and set aside while the oil is heating up. Make sure to cover the egg rolls so they don't get dry. Fry them until golden brown and turn over halfway if you're not using a deep fryer. They'll take about 4 to 5 minutes to cook. Drain and place on paper towels or a rack. Egg rolls are perfect served with duck sauce. These are crispy, the filling is flavorful, and tastes even better than the egg rolls you get in Chinese restaurants, at least near my house. You saw how easy it is to make your own at home. Give these a try and let me know how you like them. If you want to get notifications of when I upload a new video, click on the bell icon and select all. And don't forget to turn on your notifications. Subscribe and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.